flexes a good little bit. Mercury Gray Marquis.
A lot of rattle and bass pressure.
Got them strapped for 3 12s. They separate a little bit right here.
Wow, that's a lot of power in the trunk. Man. It's actually smart that you can use your trunk so you don't deal with a lot of rattle and bass pressure with everything inside.
The only thing that's a little bit of rattle is the back of the box, because that's the gas tank right there. So there's really nowhere for us to mount to. So we have the wood there to mount to the wood. And so it's separate a little bit right here. So
this was built in the vehicle?
Yeah, we got the whole back cut out, the whole back of the deck cut out, and it's built all the way to the windshield, or the back window.
Okay. Wow. It's the SK series?
Yep, SK 2500.
Okay.
We got them strapped for 3 12s.
Nice.
220 amp hour. Was it Life Pro, Wayne? Life Pro back power.
So about 45 amp hour total?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see what it looks like inside. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Wow.
We just built it.
Wow, you actually fit the 6 row.
Yeah, we shoved it in there. Luckily, it fit.
I see it. You got all the space you could out of it. You know how many cubes y'all got out of it roughly, if you remember?
I'll be honest with you, honestly, I don't even know, because like I said, it's all the way in the back.
Yeah.
It's weirdly built though. It's almost like another cabin in the back. It's not like a full box.
Yeah. Wow. So you drive it like this? Do you have a back panel?
Yeah, we have actually bucket seats for this, but for the meter, and we got it so we can just pull it out and meter with no seats in it.
Okay, got it. Sweet. Single 320?
370.
Or 370, sorry. Yeah. What did this one meter?
So far at 35 hertz, it was 55.9. That's untuned, and we had 2 of the amps walking on us a little bit the gain, so we got to reach this morning.
Okay. Looks good. These are the what brand? ZVX. Okay.
Yeah, this is inside the enclosure. Picture of the inside the enclosure whenever we're doing the 4th order. So that's kind of like how the back chamber is in the back area. And then this was the old.
Whoa.
Yeah, it was.
So you used to have a 4th order?
Yeah. You used to have a 4th order with. Let's see where it's at.
Wow. Okay. Is there a way we could look here? Or just not?
Yeah. It's just. There's nothing really there, but it goes, like I said, into the back there. It separated a little bit right here, so.
Okay. That gave you more room chamber-wise.
Everything, but
yeah,
we couldn't really contour the door because it sinks in and goes back out, and it's a pain.
You get blocked. What vehicle?
99 Mercury Gray Marquis.
Okay.
Good as this car's got AC.
Any windshield issues in this?
Not yet. It flexes a good little bit, but
yeah.
No, it's for right now. It's holding up. I mean, it's separated a little bit right here, so.
Okay.
The amp started like smelling a little bit. Oh no. We just had to retune them again because the amp was walking.
Dang. Uh-oh.
I ain't had no problem with cars. You might have just went to protect mode because they're still playing. Hey, give me your
discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
We just had to retune them again because the amp was walking.
Dang. Uh-oh.
I had no problem starting. It might have just went to protect mode because they're still playing. Hey, give me your
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High